Hi everyone, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. Today there's a haul video and I believe everything is from Michael's, and so I'm going to show you what I got. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so I got wire. This is 18 gauge. Thinking about making some more pretty hoops. Love my hoops. I've got some more metal bead components. I love these. I think they make bracelets look prettier. And just you can use them as spacers. You can do many things with the metal beads. I got some pearls. These are glass pearls. Can't go wrong with that. They go with all outfits, and they make an outfit look a lot more dressed up. I got these shells, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet. I have on my mind I'm thinking about doing a necklace with the shells. I don't know, they look like they might be able to be made into a necklace or something like that. I've got some more components for leather jewelry, ways to close up leather cording. And let's see, I've got more metal beads, spacers. These are little balls. They're silver plated and they look like they're filigree. Very pretty. I'm thinking about using some different type of metals, some mixed metals. So this is nickel free, and these are brass. And I've been seeing a trend kind of in the antique brass. So I think it's very pretty. It makes for a different look. And this is antique brass as well. Yes, antique brass wire. This is 20 gauge for more earring making. I've got these orange beads. I think these are really pretty. I love green and blue. Those are my two favorite colors. But then I've got lots of brown or neutral colors and things like that. But I rarely pick up something pretty in orange. And these are called quartzite orange nugget stone. So I really can't wait to see what I'm going to do with this. And you know what? That looks kind of good with the brass color. So maybe I can make a set of earrings or something with that. That would be nice. I got some more polymer clay beads. And these are the rondelles. Yeah, this is polymer clay. And they're kind of large. They're different shades of blue. That would probably make a nice bracelet. Or earrings or something. I've got more metal beads. But they're oval shaped, but they're not exactly circular, so I thought they were different. To start making things that are different. These are little hearts. You can put these on earrings or bracelets. They're very pretty accents. I've actually seen other people use those in their work. More 20 gauge wire for my hoops. And I think those are all the jewelry making supplies I've got. I also got some cool things because they had a sale on other items than just jewelry making. So this is an album. I've got lots of pictures just right on my table downstairs that I need to do something with. I've got a ton of pictures on the wall, so I thought this is a good time to start another album. This says Love Your Life. It has pretty flowers on the front, so got plenty of pages for me to put all my family members, loved ones, my kids. And this is the real find. This was on sale. I think this has been a week and a half ago. 30% off for the calendars. They're called Gold. Let's see, Gold. I don't know. They had a certain name brand that they had on sale. But anyway, this is 30% off. And it's a goal planner. I can write down goals. So it says strive for success. I have to fill in the dates myself. I usually buy all those things already pre-filled, but I didn't mind doing it because this is so detailed. I can fill in my own months. And what I really like is that the part that brings out the little kid in me, the stickers. I think I'm going to enjoy filling this out and using all the stickers. Let me see where those stickers are. They have stickers for the months of the year, and just your different goals, whatever the things are that you'd like to do. Okay, I'm not positive where they are, but they look something like this. I've picked up stickers in the past for, these were on a good sale. These are the stickers that would go in something like this to help you keep yourself organized. Some have words and then some are blank. You can use them as bookmarks. Everything starts with a dream. Be brave. Free spirit. Follow your dreams. They know the way. Just all kind of neat things. Just that can give you inspiration, you know, especially for setting goals. And just neat pictures. Flowers and just, I don't know, pretty stuff. So, and it, like I said, this also came with sticker goals by the month and super organizational tool, and I really need to get organized, so I think this is gonna help me out. Yeah, oh, here they are. Make it happen. I love this weekend. Today is my day. So these are all stickers that go in, you can go use in your day-to-day planning. These are all the months of the year. There's something like 1,500 stickers in here, emojis. I can pat myself on the back, well done, if I want to, you know. They're check marks. And I use check marks in ink when I'm trying to show myself that I did a certain thing for my calendar at work. I have like an appointment on a certain day and I'll use a check mark. It would be so neat to be able to use these little stickers and just make it look pretty. Keep myself organized and everything looking nice and uniform. So this is what I got with my Michaels haul this time. I'm really looking forward to using this. Well, I think that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. And I'll be back with more tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe.